Hi students, let us continue with chapter 22, heights and distance. Okay, so in the previous class you would have already learned, I had asked you to go through the table and learn how to find out the value from the table. Okay, so today I will be going ahead with the third question of exercise 22A. A ladder is placed along a wall such that its upper end is resting against the vertical wall. So I can consider this as the vertical wall, this is the ladder. Okay, so it's placed against the, and foot of the ladder is 2.4 meter away from the wall, and the ladder making an angle 68 degree. So what is the angle made? 68 degree with the ground. Find the height up to which the ladder reaches. Okay, so this is how you have to, you can just write it like this: height up to which the ladder reaches, that is AB, you need to find out. Okay, they didn't ask the height of the ladder, height up to which the ladder reaches. So in order to find that, here look at the figure, we have to use tan, right? So tan 68 equal to AB by BC, right? So tan 68 degree equal to AB by BC, we already know it's 2.4. Okay, so we need to find what is tan 68. In order to do that, let us go through the table once. Okay, so let us go through a tan table. So it's in page number 455 in your 456 in your textbook. Okay, in page number 456 you can see tan 68. Just go through that. So please go through the table. So in tan 68, just look at the value of tan 68 under 0 degree. Okay, it is 1.68 it is, so it is 2.4751 equal to AB by 2.4. So what is AB? AB is equal to 2.4751 into 2.4. Find the answer. 4751 into 2.4. Answer 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 2 30, 4 4s are 16, 19, 1 balance, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9 into 2 0 1 15, 1 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 2s are 4. So what you get? 4 2 0 4 1 9 1 5. So you get it as how many points? 1 2 3 4. So you get it as 5.94024. So correcting it, I will get it as 5.9 meters. Okay, now in the fourth question I have two persons standing on the opposite sides of a tower. So I can consider this as the tower, two people standing at the opposite sides of the tower. Okay, so let me consider that people as A and B. So they observe the angle of elevation of the top of the tower to be 30 degree and the second person is 38 degree respectively. Find the distance between them if the height of the tower is 50 meters. So this is 50. So using this you need to find this and this, right? So let me give the names as C and D. Okay, so from triangle ADC I need to find tan 30, right? Tan 30 is equal to 50 by AD. What is that? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to 50 by AD. So you'll get AD is equal to 50 into root 3. That is equal to 50 into 1.732. 1.732 into 5, you will get it as 10. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 6. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 1 is 36. 5 1s are 5 8. So you get it as 86.60. Okay. Now similarly you need to find the other side. What is that? Tan 38 equal to, from triangle, next triangle, from triangle CDB, tan 38 is equal to again 50 by BD, correct? So what's the value of tan 30 here? Just find out the value of tan 30. So again, in back side of your book you have the tan table. Just go through the table, you will clearly get the value of tan 38. It's in 455, page number 455. So it is 0.7813 equal to 50 by BD, correct? So what do you get? BD is equal to 50 by 0.7813 you get, okay? So please solve it. Solving it you will get 63.995, okay? So I can take it as 63.99, okay? Then we need to find the distance between two people, right? Distance between two people equal to 86.60 plus 63.99. So what do you get the answer as? 9, 5, 1 balance, 6 plus 3 plus 1 and comes. So it is 150.59. You get the answer. You get the answer as 150.59. Okay. So you can write it clearly as 150.6. Okay. Now coming to the fifth question. A kite is attached to a string. Find the length of the string when the height of the kite is. So kite is attached to the string. So again it forms a triangle. Kite is attached to a string. Find the height of the kite when the height of the kite is 60 meter. Okay. You need to find this angle, right? Find the length of the string. Length of the string when the height of the kite is 60 meters. So this is 60. You need to find the length of the string. This will be the string slanted, right? And which makes an angle of 30 degree. So what you need to find out is this part, right? This part you need to find out. So if I give it as A, B, C, I clearly get sine 30 equal to 60 by AC, right? 1 by 2 is equal to 60 by AC. AC is equal to 60 into 2, that is equal to 120. You get. So the height 120 meter. So length of the string is equal to 120 meter. Okay. So coming to the sixth question. A boy 1.6 meter tall is 20 meter away from the tower and observes an angle of elevation. So 20 meter away from the tower. I can take it as 20 meter away. First angle is given as 45 degree. Let us do for that. First one 45 degree. So find the height of the tower. You need to find the height of the tower, right? So how can we find it out? So let me consider height of tower as AB. So from figure you will get it as tan 45 equal to AB by BC. 1 is equal to 20 by AB by 20, that is equal to 20. AB is equal to 20. Height of the tower is equal. So here you will get the tower as 20, but you have one more thing left here, right? From the foot it starts and a boy is there. So what is the height of the boy? So height of the tower will be equal to, height of tower will be equal to 20 plus height of the boy, that is 1.6, that is equal to 21.6 meters. Okay. Similarly, coming to the next one, we have second condition, that is given for 60 degree, right? So coming for 60 degree, same way, if I take same figure I'll use, instead of this I am using 60 degree. So what will be that again? Tan 60 is equal to AB by 20, right? The height, the distance between the boy and the tower. Okay. What is tan 60? It's root 3, that is equal to AB by 20 AB is equal to 20 into root 3. What is 20 into root 3? 20 into 1.732, that is 4, 6, 14, 1 balance, 3 point. So we'll get it as 34.64 meters, okay, as the answer. So is it the actual height of the tower? No. Therefore height of the tower will be equal to what? 34.64 plus 1.6, that is equal to 36.24 meters. Okay, so this is how you do this type of questions. Try completing this exercise by yourself. Okay, thank you students.